agent. So utility-based agent here, goal alone are not always enough to generate high quality behavior in most environment. Okay. So goals will just give you, for example, you want to go to Delhi. What are the different possibilities you have to go to Delhi from Hyderabad to Delhi? Okay, if you take car, if you take train, if you take bus, if you take flight, okay, different possibilities. And we also have different directions, yes or no? So we have different routes also. So what is the best route to select? That is called high quality behavior. It should give you high quality behavior in most environments. Okay. For example, there are many action sequences that will get the taxi to its destination. So for example, I want to go from CMRIT college to, for example, Secunderabad. What are the different options we have? We have different directions, okay? But what is that we have to do? We have to take a direction that is quickly we should reach, safely we should reach, and it should be more reliable and cheaper than others. So with this, we will be taking one of the action which gives either of these possibilities. If you want to take cheaper means you cannot reach quickly. If you want to reach quickly means it is not cheap. Okay. So like that. If you want to have safety means the something others will not match. Okay. So based on our requirement, we have to select some sequence of actions. Okay. So these agents are similar to goal-based agent, but provide extra component of utility measurement. Okay. So it is same as goal-based agent, but there is one more component called utility measurement, which makes them different by providing measure of success at a given state. It will measure the success, how fast you are going. So I want to go cheaply means which is the best way to take the which is the best way, like that it will measure the success at the given state. Okay, so it will be having what is that utility measurement that will measure the success at a given state. Utility based agent act based not only on goals, it is not only based on goals, but also best way to achieve the goal. Okay. So what is utility based agent? It will also achieve the goals as well as it also gives us what is the best way to achieve the goal. The utility based agent is useful when there are multiple possible alternatives. Okay, if you take any problem, we'll be having multiple possible alternatives. Okay, so in that case, the utility based agent is useful. Okay, so for example, if you want to do a project, we have multiple possible options. You can do in the college, you can do in institute, or you can do in any public sectors like that. Okay, so if there are multiple possible alternatives, then we have utility based agent. Okay, so the agent has to choose in order to perform best action, because it will be having a criteria to measure the successes. So what is utility? Utility agent is nothing but it is a measure of success at a given state. Okay, that is why the agent has to choose in order to perform best action. What is the best action? It has to choose. Okay, so the utility function maps each state to a real number to check how effectively each action achieves the goal. Okay, so for each state, because whenever agent is performing some action, the environment will be changing from one state to another state. Okay, when it is changing from one state to other state, a number will be allotted to each state to check how effectively an action achieves the goal. Okay, so based on that number, we can uh, check the efficiency of actions. So that is called utility function. Okay. So here, if you see this, it is same as our goal-based agent. Okay, and here there is one more function is added, that is called utility-based utility, that will measure the success of action. Okay, so figure shows, so it is model-based, same as model-based, and utility-based agent, and utility is also included. No, that is why it is model-based as well as utility-based agent. It uses the model of the world along with the utility function. Just now I told no, utility function is used to measure the success. That measures its performance among the states of the world. What is utility function? That measures its performance among the states of the world. Then it chooses the action that leads to best expected utility. So whichever action it is selecting, that should give best expected utility, where expected utility is computed by averaging all possible outcome states. How we find this expected utility? Expected utility can be computed by averaging all possible outcome states weighted by the probability of outcome. Okay, like this expected utility will be found. Okay, so what is this utility based? It is here we are using a function called utility. Using that, we are performing the, we are finding the success of performance of an action. Okay, so that is the utility based agent.